Mr. and Mrs. Speaker, we know that in Indonesia, there are some foreign athletes that serve on national sports team. For the example, Irfan Bahdim, Christian Gonzalez, etc. They get naturalized means that they get Indonesian citizenship to serve on national team. But the problem is, if we allow the practice of instantaneously naturalizing foreign athletes to serve on national sport teams, the problem is that first, there will be many foreign athletes that get attracted to serve on our national team, and it will decrease or limit the opportunity and the portion of our own citizen or our native people to serve on national sports team. And the second, if we instantaneously naturalizing the foreign athletes, they will not have such a long time to get to know our culture, and they will experience a culture shock, and it will be bad for them. So we are so proud that we say that we propose the motion, which is this House will disallow the practice of instantaneously naturalizing foreign athletes to serve on our national sports team. Our model is that we still want to make them to give them the citizenship by naturalizing them, but we don't want to undergo it in such a fast time. With the model, our goal is to create fairness, that all of the foreign athletes who want to serve on our national team and who want to get the Indonesian citizenship will undergo the same process, meaning that they don't get it in instant. And our goal is that we want to still open as big chance as possible to our native people to serve on our national sports team. So let's come to my argument. First, we know that in Indonesia, there are a lot of public or private football school for the citizen who want to learn and who have the ability and talent to play football. And most of all the boys or girls who enroll in a football school have a dream to serve in our national sports team. I mean, who don't want to play in the name of our country, right? But if we still allow the instantaneously naturalizing foreign athletes, the foreign athletes will get more attracted to play in Indonesia, because the process is much easier, faster, and they can have a career here. So if this happens, it will decrease the portion of our native athletes who want to play in the name of national sports team. We don't want to be happen. But if we don't allow the instantaneously naturalizing foreign athletes, and we still have the same process for all the foreign people who want to get our citizenship, the foreign athletes maybe will think twice before they want to join in our national sports team, because the process is a little bit difficult than if we still have to naturalizing them. And coming to my second argument, if we allow instantaneously naturalizing foreign athletes, the process will obviously take shorter time than if we just make a usual naturalizing process. And in such a short time, the foreign athletes will get difficult to match their culture to our culture, and they will experience such a culture shock. And we don't want that to be happen. We hope that if we just undergo the same process for them, we don't make it in instant. We want the athlete to still have a longer time to learn about our culture and not having such a culture shock, because we know that not all of the foreign culture is matched with our culture, and by that the performance of our athlete in the field will be much better, right? And they will get along better with the native player in that team. So once again, I am really proud to say that I am 100% agree with this motion, which is this House would disallow the practice of internationally naturalizing foreign athletes to serve on national sports team, because it will prevent the problem, which is when decrease the portion or opportunities of our native player to serve on our national team. And the second, we want to prevent the foreign athlete to having such a culture shock that will decrease or disrupt their performance in the field, and they also will be able to get along better with our with our native player. So I am really believe that if the government disallow the practice of instantaneously naturalizing foreign athletes, it will be more justifiable and more efficient to create such a best team to be the winner of any competition. Thank you very much.